is showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend. It's currently up 60%. This is Friday, the 8th of September, 8th of August, 2025. So the stock it may be attempting to retest the highs of 5.14 it printed on the 31st of July, and then 5.97 on the 20 it printed on the 23rd. There's no guarantee it's going to succeed. If it doesn't succeed, if it gets rejected there, then we can conclude that the lows, the highs are getting lower, um, further reinforcing the downward trend. This is the 200-day moving average. It underscores the underlying trend. It's a bearish one. The stock is in a it's the underlying trend is a bearish one, so it's showing strength within all of that. Um, it doesn't have enough extrapolation. It has not been around long enough for extrapolations to feature on this. It doesn't to feature on this four daily chart. It doesn't have enough data. Let's see what we have. We have 1.93. It's a downward projection. 2.82 downward projection. 3.03 equally downward projection as of now. Um, let's see whether we had anything higher than what we have right now. Okay. If you go back to April the 7th, we had 0.0523. It's a downward projection. 1.07, 2.71, and then there's a gap after that 8.6, 9.9, 10.70. That's if you're looking for higher prices. Yeah, they had them. So if it begins to spike, then there are a lot of resistances ahead that it has to deal with. It has to justify that it deserves, or buyers have to justify that it deserves to go above or break through. Okay, this is its 4-hour chart. It has extrapolations, and then we have it's not projecting high prices. It's actually extrapolating the downtrend. It's extrapolating weakness. It's saying that the downtrend will continue. So as of now, we have strength will remain in place up till the close of today's trading session. Then after that, the downtrend may continue, but buyers may defy the odds and may continue to push the stock up. I believe I'm not exactly sure if it's quite popular or not. I'm going to find out right now. So currently there are no upper projections um, on the stock right now, but previously we had 8.24, 10.11, 11.27. This was as of just Wednesday, 2 days ago. And then, okay, as of Monday, the 1st of August, we had Friday, the 1st of August, exactly 1 week ago, we had 7.78, 12.74, 16.47, 18.77. Okay, let me see how. Okay, before we do that, let's see. Selling pressure. Is there anything like selling pressure on the stock now? Okay, well, everything is bearish apart from the price pressure momentum. So it may have this trend it's showing may have kicked in. Yeah, okay. Well, partly in the pre-market session. So, but everything is still very much bearish. So we have a very very strong price pressure momentum on its 10 period moving average. It just increased again. So it's either the selling pressure earlier on was immense that even with the gains it has printed now, it has not been able to clear through all of that. Okay, so we'll see. Let's just quickly see how what's going on with the stock. Um, PA. Let's see what's going on. Institutional investors are buying PAPL, turn market volatility into profit opportunities. Okay, up 4,224. When was that? 2 weeks ago. It looks like because I've seen it somewhere. It looks like a meme stock. It sounds like it. Okay. Okay, there might be something about it, about the stock, which I really don't know at the moment. So, yeah, it may well go ahead and print the highs of, I think, what did we see here? It may well go ahead and print the highs of $18 or thereabout. Did I see that something like that? Let's see what we have. What did we get? We got here, we got, yeah, 11.27. 11.27, let's see, 18 point, yeah, 18.77. It may well do that, but you can't bank on that at all. You can't bank on that. So uh, extrapolations we have here saying that lower prices will print after today's trading session, maybe or maybe not. Let's see. Let's have a look at the 3 hour chart. Okay, sideways movement, more of the same sort of extrapolation. Here we have upper projection 7.65, 9.52, 10.68 currently in play. On the 2 hour chart, what do we have? Let's see what we have. 3.51, 8.24, 10.11, 11.27 as of Tuesday. Okay, so well, let's see how things go. We're just going to stick with this extrapolation. That's what we have at the moment. Strength expected to remain in place up till today, and then after that, maybe may begin to decline, maybe or maybe not. Gain is now 64%. I don't know exactly what the float is, what the float looks like. Okay, we may not be able to see what's going on the let's see, because I'm let's see, PAPL stock. That's another thing we need to check. Okay, it has a very tiny float, it seems. Okay, FinViz is saying doesn't have any figure there. Let's find out. Okay, nothing there, but it seems it maybe has a low float, maybe. So just see what you make of PAPL, and thank you very much for watching this video.